Come test drive the 2017 CRV. CRV, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, electronic stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.